name is Alexander Vitun. I'm the founder and president of SofiMarsel. We produce stretch ceilings, engineer profile systems, and develop our own range of interior lighting. At SofiMarsel, we aim to exceed every customer's expectations. It's very important to us that the client gets not only a top-quality product, but also a professional installation. We've launched a training center to teach our representatives to understand the product and perform installation at a professional level. Within 4 days, we share our experience and expertise and transfer all technical skills to our distributors. That can only be done through training and first-hand experience with our products, quality and functionality options. We have developed a professional training course for those who, just like us, are ready to revolutionize the market and are not afraid of a challenge. President Roosevelt once said, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there." At present, there are about 1,000 stretch ceiling specialists all over the globe who gain their professional qualification at SofiMarsel. If you, like us, strive for perfection, wish to master your skills as a professional, and would like to become part of a world-recognized dynamic brand, we invite you to join the SofiMarsel team. Experienced technical tutors will cooperate with you all along the way, sharing theoretical knowledge tightly intertwined with practice and technical support. Be creative, be brave, be with SofiMarsel.